Minus 30.
T-minus 20 seconds on my mark.
Minus 20.
Minus 180, minus 3 minutes and
T-minus 3 minutes.
385.
And 3 minutes to launch. 3 minutes to launch at this point. Vehicle in the auto supersonic control. The initiation of the launch ordnance chain is upcoming just before the actual ignition of the stage 1 engines. All continuing to go smoothly. 2 minutes, 35 seconds and counting.
Preliminary lock tank pressurization started.
Check 388. SIGI verified SIGI rate. Ready to configure for flight.
SIGI nominal and ready to configure for flight.
Check 388.
Just to clarify, Kyle, once the signal for launch is given, the engines actually conduct a very brief health check, and once the pressure or the thrust is verified in the engines, the hold down bolts release and the vehicle is away from the pad.
And that's, after that health check, that's right at 58 even, and then so you actually should see liftoff about 2 seconds after the stage 1 engines ignite.
Yeah, that's correct.
T-minus 1 minute.
First vehicle.
Check 392 and check 393. Ops 2, disable ME1 and ME2 heaters.
Approaching 1 minute, 30 seconds to launch. You will hear most of the voice calls you'll hear going uphill will be Mike Dorsch, as John mentioned earlier. He's the Antares chief engineer, so you'll hear him making most of the calls heading uphill for Antares.
T-minus 1 minute on my mark. Mark.
T-minus 1 minute counting. Preliminary RP tank pressurization started.
Check 395, 396. T-minus 45 seconds on my mark.
50.
Mark.
And coming up on
Minus 30.
T-minus 20 seconds on my mark.
Minus 20.
T-minus 10 seconds.
standing by for engine ignition.
8, 7,
Go Antares, go Signals.
4,
3, 2,
1. Come on.
we have ignition. We have liftoff.
And we have liftoff of Antares, beginning the journey of the G. David Lowe Cygnus cargo vehicle to the International Space Station. Approaching 3 minutes into the flight, the stage 1 throttling should begin about 3 minutes 24 seconds after launch.
It's clear day, great show.
Engines remain at 100%. Mixture ratio targets are very